Is that what the sound of penguin makes? Do penguins even have vocal cords? Why would they go, why is the camera over here? Why would they go, Are they Pac-Man? Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. You have been back, you've been posting this year, or what's going on? Well, only one of those videos were filmed from this year. I am doing right now a taste test of all the things that I got sent from Miss AMBERLYNN REID. First of all, hello, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. I hope you're having a beautiful Tuesday. Try something new today. I'm going to try a bunch of new things today. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or if you don't know who AMBERLYNN is, we sent each other a Christmas present swap. So I sent her some Christmas presents, she sent me Christmas presents. So I'm going to put both of our videos down below so you can watch them. They're amazing. Okay, well, I just had such a fun time filming. Our reactions were so genuine. We got each other such thoughtful things. Sometimes swaps can be scary because things can get lost in the mail. Things can get damaged. Like, what if somebody opens it and they're like, I already have that, or I don't like that, or I'm allergic to this, or something. I don't know. She got me a lot of snacks, so I am doing like a big taste test of that. I'm so excited. So the only, I should say, two things I'm not gonna try. Well, I'm gonna try them, but they're not in this video. It's this. So this is like a noodle dish. I'm gonna have this for lunch one day. I don't want to like just try this, like, right, because I'm having supper in like an hour, so I don't want to waste this, right? When I'm trying this for lunch, I will try it on my vlog channel, and the link for that will be down below. So I'm gonna try this, but it's not gonna be for this video. Other thing is, this is like a challenge. It's a Bean Boozled Fiery 5 challenge. I'm gonna do a challenge either with one of my friends, Austin, my mom, I don't know, but I feel like this is like something on its own. Like, this is a challenge on its own, and I don't want to blow my taste buds off and not be able to taste anything else. Hello, boobs. Let's try something good first. For some reason, my mind is going to this and I don't even know what it is. Okay, so the first thing just says rice crackers. I don't know what language that is. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's the packaging, because the packaging has like little white dots on it. I don't know if that's like coconut or if that's just the packaging. Let's go ahead and try it. So now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a dish. So it's got these like white warts on it. This is like condensed milk almost, like it's very sugary. There's only a little bit on it. The rest of it, salty, crunchy, with that hint of sweetness. It's like sweet and salty deliciousness. Oh my god. This I feel is such a lie, so we're gonna go to this next. Is by Tom's, and it's a soft candy stick. It's in mixed fruit, and the reason why I say it's a lie is because this shit is, wait, here's a hole. Wait. That shit's not soft! Me breaking my teeth, me suing Amber. YouTuber breaks tooth and sues other YouTuber, even though it was Tom's to blame. Just kidding. It smells yummy. It smells like fruity. Okay, so it's a little bendy. Me. Girl. Oh, I always say that I'm not one for candy. That's really good flavor. The inside's kind of like custardy, and the outside's like a hard fruit roll-up. I'm actually describing things good for once in my life. Like, what? This is actually good. This flavor is also like not that like artificial flavory mixed berry, and it's not that hard as I was banging it onto that pole. Okay, next I want to try the things that I like literally had no idea what it was, and it's this. Okay, what? So it's called White Him. I sound like a German interpreter or something. Mad because my student isn't learning the German word. So I'm like, white him. Okay, anyways, white hazelnut. White him. What even does that mean? It probably means white hazelnut. Oh, whoa. I was gonna say, it smells like hazelnut. No shit. I don't know if you can break these. It looks like Kit Kat-y vibes without the chocolate on it. Oh my god, I'm scared to... Do you do this? Nope, I don't think you do. I think you just bite it. It looks like it's just gonna crumble in my hand. Oh my god, it's like a bueno without the chocolate, white chocolate. Flaky, creamy. I love the flavor of hazelnut. Bueno vibes. A bueno Kit Kat. Oh my god. Next up, we're gonna try these cotton candy Jelly Bellies. Okay. Soft. I like jelly beans. Why do they kind of taste like mint? She doesn't really know what she's trying to be. Me. These are kind of addicting. They have like a minty flavor to them. Okay, yum. Made in the USA. Ooh, USA, USA. Oh my god, she got me seaweed. Love, love, love seaweed. This is seasoned. I thought it said liver. I was like, I am not the liver king. Is laver the seasoning? I don't know. Please help me out here for anyone who can read this. So this is what this looks like. Whenever I'm hungover, I usually will order 7-Eleven. And I'll get like, you know, taquitos, nachos, stuff like that. But I'll always order seaweed, and Austin's always grossed out about it. But I have never ordered this kind of seaweed before. Thank you so much to her if she's watching this right now. Oh my god, it's so seaweedy. Hi! Me, I order these all the time. Also, me can't open them. Oh, so for those who don't know, they look like this. They're very, you can see my lips talking in the holes of it. They're very, very thin. They're like me before a BBL. No. They don't taste any different than the ones I normally get. So I think it's just seaweed. I don't know what laver means. Maybe it means seasoned seaweed. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing for US consumers. Well, I'm breaking the law. I'm Canadian. So good. I hate sour, but I love doing taste tests. These are Goody Bibs sour oval candies. What's the flavor? Bubs? That's what I want to name an animal. Here, come on, Bubs. Tutti Frutti. Is that the flavor? Made in Sweden. I have no idea what we're about to expect. I hate sour candy so much. Oh, they smell delightful. They look like Sprite. they look like the flavor of Sprite, or the can of Sprite. Oh, that's sour. They're very chewy. You know what? They kind of taste like Sprite. Like if Sprite was a little bit sour, that's what they taste like. Like a 6 out of 10 for me. But I actually like these. Look at how she got me some different candy. Oh my god, let's do these random ass guys here. Okay, so these are, who even knows? Like, I'm not even gonna try. Like, what language is it? So she got me 2 different kinds, white and coffee. They look like this. I don't know what it is. White and coffee what? Like, I don't know. Oh, it looks so, let me show you what I'm seeing. Anything with a swirl on it makes it so much better. Like, if you get a cappuccino or something, yum, a cappuccino. But as soon as they put like a swirl on it, you're like, hey, Instagram. Like, I'm putting that on my story. Oh my god, so this one is the white one. Oh my god, okay, I'm opening the other one to compare. Please don't be broken. Also, in the swap, they look the exact same. I'm turning into a German interpreter, I swear. They look the same. How would you know? Okay, well then I'm gonna try this one first. Okay, white. Oh, God, it smells like animal crackers. Best biscuit I've ever tried. So buttery. It's probably illegal in Canada to put that much butter into a biscuit. So that's white. Let's try the coffee one now. Just the slightest hint of coffee. Okay, these are way up there. This is like a 9.2 out of 10. These are so good. Where are they from though? Like, wow. Okay, let's go on to some Hello Kitty biscuits with strawberry cream. These are like Pockies. So adorable. I don't want to open them, but yet we need to try them, right? Look at her. Look how cute she is. Oh, hello. Okay, ready? And dunk it into the strawberry cream. Ooh, it's nice and creamy there. Just like Pocky. So if you haven't had Pocky before, they're like breadsticks, but they're sweet, but they're not overly sweet. They're not overly salty. They're kind of just like a plain breadstick, but then this does it for everyone. And they're very like buttery, flaky, yummy, crunchy. The strawberry does taste a little artificially. I like that, so it kind of tastes like bubble gum, to be honest. I like when I'm rating some and not rating others. Okay, this is something I'm intrigued about. So this says nothing that I can read, so I would love to put this in my mouth. It looks like a Rice Krispie square, but it's not a square. Rice Krispie stick. It smells like nothing. Tastes like Sugar Crisp cereal. Have you ever had Sugar Crisp cereal? Exactly like that, no different, but in a stick form. Or when I was a kid, we didn't really throw away food if it got too old. We didn't have like the luxury of like buying all new food all the time. So sometimes our food would go old and we would still eat it. Certain things, not like meat and cheese and stuff like that. But like cereal, my mom would be like, it's fine, eat it. Like, so sometimes the Sugar Crisp cereal will get stuck together into clumps. So when you poured it, it'd be like, literally look like this. This is exactly what this is. Thumbs up for this. Thank you for my childhood. Okay, I've been waiting to try this. This is birthday cake Belgian chocolate goodness by Chocolate Works. Oh my god, and it's fudge, right? The fudge? Doesn't really say. It just says birthday cake. Birthday cake what? Chocolate? Chocolate? I'm gonna break off a nail. Ooh, adorable. Now, I don't want to offend anyone. There are chunks out of it, but I'm gonna be the only one that eats it because it's mine. So I'm gonna go to the space where there's the most sprinkles and just... not fudge. It's just pure chocolate. You would think it's overly sweet. It's not. It's creamy. It's very subtle. The sprinkles give it a nice texture. It's like a creamy white chocolate. It's not overly... Ooh, never mind. There's a hit up. Ooh, sweetness at the end. Okay, sorry. My camera's like freaking drunk. Thought these were hard candies. I was like, oh, I should do these at the end because they're hard candies and I'll spit it out, right? Because I suck on a hard candy for like 25 hours. These are not. I squished one so much that it's squished. So these are not hard candies. These are jelly candy in pomegranates. No pomegranate. Here's what they look like. She got such interesting stuff made in Greece. Like, hi. Ooh, okay, I smell. Ugh. Doesn't smell like pomegranate. So they're called frugelli. Okay, so they look really like, they kind of look like Turkish Delight. That's a sugar rush. They look like Turkish Delight too. See? Those are good. So they do taste like pomegranate. They are jelly, sugary. Oh, but the jelly isn't like that chewy disgust jelly. It's like, tastes like jelly you would put on like toast. Okay, let's do these chewy candy. Strawberry bonbons. Chewy candy. Made in France. Chewy candy from all around the world. All around the world. Oh, look at that. Look at these. Oh, one's on the floor. Okay, France. Smackaroo. I don't like them, and I don't know why. Because they're like sweet, they have good flavor. I think they're too sticky. I don't know what. The flavor's like really strong, but not in a good. They're like salty. No. And by the way, if anyone comes after Amber for this has nothing to do with her. She didn't make these snacks. Okay, she just decided I would like these for a taste test. Ooh, rice senbei. Okay, more. Oh, I love rice crackers. I can't wait. This is what these look like. That's all they say though, so I can't read where they were made or anything like that. But let's give it a whirl. Oh my god, they smell like soy sauce. I love rice crackers. So I think those ones are like salty, sweet, and these ones might be salty. Oh my god. Oh my god. 1000% the best thing in this box. Nothing's gonna beat this. This is incredible. I need to know where she got these. This became a mukbang. This is no longer a taste test. It tastes like seaweed, kind of. It has the same crunch as a rice cake, but so much more flavor. Very, very salty. In a good way for me because the salt balances with the rice cake because the rice cake can be very bland. Look at me explaining things so well. It has another flavor. It's like almost like ponzu or something like that, but yeah. What is this? This one doesn't say where it's from either, but it looks like this. It's so cute, the packaging. Not the ice cream cone. Oh my god, how did this break in the mail? Okay, I'm just gonna eat it like an ice cream corn. Corn. It's corn. The chocolate is so airy. This is what it looks like. You can even see the bubbles in it. It's so airy. It's kind of like an arrow. And then this is so light and airy as well. It's a super light snack. It's not overly chocolatey. Yum. I'm getting full. Hi guys, so I also forgot to try this. This was hiding in the box under everything. It has 1, 2, 3 different things in it and instructions. So I'm gonna try this on the vlog channel after I post my Vegas vlogs. The link is down below for my vlog channel. Okay, let's do this. I thought it said onion custard soft cake, but it's Oreo. Open this way, as if we didn't. No. What if I wanted to open it this way? Oh, breaking the rules. Oh, I love custard. So, oh, look at that. Nope. 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 That tastes like sweaty balls in a gym. Like, no. No. This is not for me. Next, we have a bourbon chocolate flavored sandwich biscuit in Delectable Delights. Artificially flavored. So it's not real bourbon. Fake bourbon. Ah, they're all broken. Kremika. I didn't even see where they were from, but I will check right now. India. She literally went all out. A chocolate cookie, but it doesn't taste like fake chocolate. I don't get any bourbon from it. There isn't also much cream. It kind of just tastes like 2 chocolate cookies pressed together. Kind of tastes like a Fudgio or wait, was it Fudgio? Fudgio? Anyways, without like the filling because there isn't much filling, but this is delicious. Yum. This is our last thing to try. This is a truffles bar. 4 truffles, fantasize. French cocoa truffles. Made in France. France! I love truffles. So these better look like truffles, have little fat bodies and a pointy head. Me. I mean, kind of. Oh shit! 5-second rule. They don't look good. Like, truffles never look good. I just dropped it again. This one doesn't want to be eaten, so I'm gonna toss it and take the other one. That one's a bad curse. Okay, one of the best truffles I've ever had. France knows what to do. Oh my god. Delicious. They are so chocolatey. Overwhelming chocolate. And there's no other, like, crunch with it or flavor with it. It's like pure silky chocolate. Like, kind of tastes like a mixture of dark and light if you've never had a truffle before, but delicious. So pleasantly surprised. Delicious. So this concludes everything that AMBERLYNN REID sent to me. Thank you so much, Amber, so much for everything you sent me. This was a fun taste test to do. There were things from all over the world. This was so interesting. There were some hits, there were some misses, but mainly everything was so good. Like, everything was so different too. We got like fruit stuff, we got chocolatey stuff, crackers. Those rice cakes were my absolute favorite. I don't even know what the names were of them. Those are my favorite. My least favorite thing was that custard cake, the onion custard cake. That's about it. I hope you guys try something new this Tuesday, whatever it is, whether it's riding a unicycle with a helmet, whether it's buying a helmet, or whether it's going mini putt golf. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day, and PiinkSparkles loves you so much. My cameo is linked down below, and I love you guys. Bye!